Welcome to Rise and Shine Pharma Study YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about acidifiers. First, definition of acidifiers. Acidifiers are inorganic chemicals that either produce or become acid. These chemicals increase the level of gastric acid in the stomach when ingested, thus decreasing the stomach pH. Gastric acidifiers are mainly used in the treatment of achlorhydria. That is, if the gastric HCl production is less, means there is no proper digestion of food. In such cases, these acidifiers are used. Then next, gastric acidifiers are mainly used for the treatment. We have to know about achlorhydria. Achlorhydria, also known as hypochlorhydria, is a condition where there is a deficient secretion of hydrochloric acid in the stomach. So in such cases, these gastric acidifiers are useful in providing the necessary acidity for the proper digestion of the food materials. The next, official compounds as per the syllabus. First one, dilute hydrochloric acid. This dilute hydrochloric acid is prepared from hydrochloric acid IP by diluting 274 grams of acid with 726 grams of purified water. Standard, it should contains not less than 9.5% weight by weight and not more than 10.5% weight by weight of hydrochloric acid. Properties, it is a clear colorless liquid with acidic taste. The next, uses, it is given orally to treat achlorhydria. The recommended IP dose level is 0.6 ml to 8 ml. The next, well known, it is an important laboratory reagent. The next official compound according to the syllabus, ammonium chloride. This ammonium chloride is prepared commercially by combining the ammonia gas with either hydrogen chloride gas or hydrochloric acid in water solution. Thus the product formed is purified either by recrystallization or by sublimation. The next, physical properties of ammonium chloride. It is a white crystalline solid, odorless with a saline taste. It is freely soluble in water and glycerol but sparingly soluble in alcohol. Chemical properties. This ammonium chloride appears to sublime upon heating but actually decomposes into ammonia and hydrogen chloride gas. Next, ammonium chloride reacts with a strong base like sodium hydroxide to release ammonia gas. Similarly, ammonium chloride also reacts with alkali metal carbonates at elevated temperatures, giving ammonia and alkali metal chloride. Here the sodium carbonate reacts with the ammonium chloride to form sodium chloride with the elimination of ammonia and carbon dioxide. The next, assay of ammonium chloride. This assay method is acid based titration method. Procedure, dissolve 1 gram of ammonium chloride in 20 ml of water and add a mixture of 5 ml of formaldehyde that is previously neutralized with a few drops of phenolphthalein. This is due to the formation of hexamine where the ammonia in ammonium chloride fix it as an hexamine so that the ammonia gas is not evolved. After 1 to 2 minutes, titrate slowly with 1 m sodium hydroxide solution. 1 ml of 1 m sodium hydroxide is equivalent to 53.49 mg of ammonium chloride. The next, uses of ammonium chloride. It is mainly used as a systemic acidifier in treatment of metabolic alkalosis. The next, it is used as an expectorant in cough medicines and it is also used as a diuretic. Thank you.